There's free professional legal help that seniors are legally entitled to, real attorneys who can fight a wrongful eviction, appeal a denied Medicare claim, recover stolen money, or protect you from a bad guardianship, and it costs you nothing. Yet most seniors never use it. And here's the part that costs people the most. Many who finally need it wait too long and miss a hidden deadline that quietly erases their legal rights forever. So if you're 60 or older, or you help a parent who is, this is one to watch all the way through. Because I'm going to give you the one phone number that unlocks all of it, show you exactly what these free lawyers can do for you, and warn you about the deadlines that decide whether they can help you at all. It's the window, and even the best free attorney can't save you. Let me start with the two things you need to know right now. Here's the first fact that surprises almost everyone. If you're 60 or older, you are entitled to free civil legal help under a federal law called the Older Americans Act. And this is the shocker: many of these senior legal programs have no income limit at all. Your age alone can qualify you. You don't have to be poor. This is one of the most available free legal resources in the country, and it's dramatically underused, simply because people don't know it exists. And here's the one number that unlocks it. Write it down. The Eldercare Locator. 1-800-677-1116. One call connects you to your local area agency on aging, which links you to free legal help, Medicare counselors, and more. But now the warning that makes this urgent. Legal rights come with strict deadlines. If you get a denial letter, an eviction notice, or court papers, the clock starts ticking that day, and the single biggest mistake seniors make is waiting too long to call. Let me show you exactly how that goes wrong, because it happens every single day. Picture two seniors, both facing the same problem. Both open the mail one afternoon to find a notice, let's say a letter saying their Medicare claim was denied, leaving them on the hook for thousands. The first one, we'll call him George, feels overwhelmed. He thinks, I can't afford a lawyer to fight this, and I'll deal with it later. He sets the letter on the kitchen counter. Weeks pass, and by the time he decides to act, the deadline to appeal, usually around 60 days, has quietly expired. Now he's stuck with the bill, and there's nothing anyone can do, because the window closed. The second senior, Martha, does one thing differently. The same afternoon, she picks up the phone and calls 1-800-677-1116. Within days, a free attorney from her area agency on aging is helping her file the appeal on time. She wins. Same problem, same free help available to both. The only difference was the calendar. That's the entire lesson. Free legal help can save you, but only if you call before the deadline. Let me show you everything it covers. If this could protect you or someone you love, tap subscribe. I help seniors use the rights and benefits they've earned. Okay, here's what these free lawyers actually handle. These programs handle the civil legal problems that hit seniors hardest. Top of the list is healthcare, appealing a denied Medicare or Medicaid claim, fighting a wrongful nursing home discharge, or disputing a coverage denial. Then there's income and benefits, appealing a denied Social Security claim, or fighting an unfair overpayment demand where they say you owe money back. They also handle housing, defending you against eviction or foreclosure so you can stay in your home. They fight elder financial abuse and scams, including recovering money stolen by a fraudster, or canceling a deed or power of attorney that someone forged. They defend seniors against unwanted guardianship, where someone tries to take control of your life and finances. And they help you prepare the essentials: a will, power of attorney, an advance directive. One important note: this is civil legal help, not criminal. If you're charged with a crime, that's a public defender, which is a separate right. But for nearly every money, benefits, housing, or family problem, this free help exists. Now, the part that decides everything: the deadlines. Burn these into memory, because missing them means losing automatically, no matter how strong your case is. If a benefit is denied, Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, you typically have around 60 to 90 days to appeal. That sounds like plenty of time, but it vanishes fast when you're overwhelmed. If you get an eviction notice or court summons, your window to respond can be as short as 5 to 14 days. Miss it, and the court can rule against you without ever hearing your side. And if a debt collector sues you, you usually have only 20 to 30 days to file a response, or they win by default and can start coming after your money. So here's the rule that protects you. The day a denial letter, an eviction notice, or any court paper arrives, that is the day you make the call, not next week. Not when you get around to it. Free legal help is powerful, but it cannot rewind a deadline that's already passed. Treat every legal notice like a ticking clock. Next, let me knock down the belief that stops so many seniors from calling at all. The biggest reason seniors don't get this help is a simple, wrong assumption. I can't afford a lawyer, or I make too much to qualify. Let's fix both. First, this help is free. You're not paying a lawyer. Second, on income. The senior programs under the Older Americans Act often have no income limit at all. So your age qualifies you regardless of your finances. And even the income-based legal aid programs set the bar higher than people think, around $20,000 a year for one person. And more for couples and families. Huge numbers of people who assume they make too much actually qualify. So do not disqualify yourself in your head. The worst that happens when you call is they point you to another free resource. Many states also have free senior legal hotlines where you can get advice over the phone quickly, without any office visit at all. There is almost always a door open, you just have to knock on it. Let me give you every number you need. Here's your action list. Your first and best call is the Eldercare locator at 1-800-677-1116. It connects you to your local area agency on aging, which links you to free legal aid, Medicare counseling, and elder abuse help all at once. If you want to search on your own, go to lawhelp.org and select your state to find every free legal program near you. You can also call the American Bar Association referral line at 1-800-285-2221. Or simply dial 2-1-1 for a local referral to any legal resource in your area. Before you call, gather your documents: the denial letter, the eviction notice, the court papers, any suspicious contract, and note the deadline or court date, because that helps them help you fast. The one caution: real legal aid is free. Be suspicious of anyone who charges you a big upfront fee to recover your benefits or handle your case. Legitimate senior legal services don't work that way. Keep it to the official programs, and keep your money in your pocket. So here's what to remember. 1. If you're 60 or older, you're entitled to free civil legal help, often with no income limit. 2. The one number that unlocks it is the Eldercare locator. 1-800-677-1116. 3. It covers benefit appeals, eviction, foreclosure, elder abuse, guardianship, and estate documents. 4. Legal deadlines are strict, benefit appeals around 60 days. Eviction responses as little as 5 to 14, so call the day the notice arrives. And 5. Don't assume you make too much. Call and check. The single most valuable thing you can do today. If you or a loved one has any legal notice sitting unopened or set aside, pick it up and call 1-800-677-1116 now, before the clock runs out. Free help is real, but only if you reach for it in time. If this helped, subscribe so the next right you're entitled to finds you, and share it with a senior who might be sitting on a letter they're afraid to open. You could save them their home or their savings. I'll see you in the next one.